Good day, everybody. Welcome once again to Flicker Brain. If it's your first time on this channel and you're interested in learning everything regarding Google AdSense loading, be it website or YouTube, you can quickly come over here and hit the subscribe button so that whenever I drop a video on this channel, you will quickly get notified. In today's video, I'm going to be dropping an update on second to the last video I made on this particular AdSense I dropped 2 weeks ago. This account also have received payments on this 21st of this month, but I've been occupied, so I didn't have enough time to drop an update payments received video for you guys to see. Okay, so let's log into the AdSense account. So I'll show you guys what we have done so far on that account this month, and you can also see what we have also received from our last payments. Okay, so on the screen over here, you can see this is my live AdSense dashboard, and you can see what we are doing so far on this dashboard. Currently, we are loading in a lot of money on this account, and you can see what we have already done so far this month. We have already loaded roughly like $21,000 on the account, and you can see the amount of earnings we have earned today and the amount of traffic we're pushing on this site. You can also see the CPC is very high. Now, this account, I'll be dropping updates on this particular AdSense account throughout this year. It has been receiving payments. You can also go through my old videos. You see it have been receiving payments on this account. Highest will just face a little bit of deductions. You notice in the last video we had a little bit of deductions, so you can see what we summed up to receive this month, and this was still pushing in more traffic on the site currently as I speak. Let me refresh to know if there's any updates. Okay, no updates for now so far. So guys, you can see what we have done on this dashboard. This is my method, of course, the fully automation method I work with mixed with my arbitrage traffic. That's why you can see my earnings going consistently without any issues of ad limits on this account. Every system I work with is safe. You're not going to have any issues. Once you mix with the arbitrage, the automation method working on your site, you're perfectly going to earn perfectly fine without any issues. Least is you have a little bit of deductions on your site, which everybody normally has invalid traffic. Okay, so if you're interested in how my system works, you want to know how you can do this on your own self and get the same amount of results on your own account, an account that is a good account. So you don't just do this on a new AdSense account and expect it to work, expect you to earn such amount of money here. On a new AdSense account, the max you can work on that account for a start is $1,000. Okay, so if you're interested, you can check in the link you see in the description box. You can use that link to reach out to me. All right, and if you also have a good account, an account that have received massive payments in the past, I don't mean small payment like 500, 200. I need account that have received huge amount of money in the past. You can also bring in the account to my DM for partnership, so we can book for partnership for next year, because for this year I'm done with the accounts I already have. The people that have brought the account for partnership, that's what I'm going to work on till this year is over. All right, so regardless, stay safe everybody, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.